Hello everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. This is my husband. He say hello to you. Today is the second day of our holiday in Vietnam. We want to introduce you a bigger supermarket in Ho Chi Minh City called Mega Market. You will see lots more motorcycles and scooters parked outside the supermarket than cars. I believe this will change in the future as Vietnam develops. My parents' house is close to this supermarket. It takes around 5 minutes to walk here. We will show you what products we can find in this shop today and coming days. Now, please follow me to see where my husband goes to and what is he doing. You will see there are many desserts advertised on the board. These are 10,000 Vietnam dong and 25,000 Vietnam dong, converted to British pound, 33p and 75p, so they are very good value. The server is making ice cream for my husband. Have you enjoyed super soft ice cream like this?
Thank you.
This one is mine. 1 pound converted to Vietnam dong is about 32,000 dong. If you like this video, please give it a like, a subscribe and share this to everyone. We are now in the shopping mall. My husband is trying on the cycle helmets. Which one do you think suits him the best? Or not at all?
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope. A nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
It is much more crowded at the weekend. This is the dipping sauce made from mayonnaise with roasted sesame, priced at 139,000 dong. That converts to pound about 4 pound 50 for a bottle of 1 kilo, and tomato ketchup or chili sauce is 1 pound 80 for a bottle of 2 kilos. Presentations are given to the people to sample as the way the manufacturer advertise their products in Vietnam. This girl is cooking hot pot to advertise fish sauce. My husband tends to pull her leg to make her smile. We like sauces sold here, especially the brown one. They are very tasty. Here, the girl is promoting the spicy duck mix and explaining that it is ready to cook in the air fryer. This is called dim sum. They gave my husband a sample to try.
Cô với chú lấy nhau bao lâu?
I like them very much, yeah.
All you understand.
Say again?
Cô với chú lấy nhau bao nhiêu lâu?
No, I don't understand Vietnamese. Not at all. I have been married to my Vietnamese wife
Yes.
for 12 years and I still don't understand Vietnamese.
Do you try Vietnamese already?
I will be living here soon, full time.
Yes.
I'm retired and I'm going to live here.
That's it. That's so good.
It is good. I like Vietnam.
You travel from where?
What, in Vietnam or on the world?
Yes. Where did you go?
I have travelled all over the world. I've been to, I live in England.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay. Have you been?
No, I watched on YouTube.
YouTube, right. I've been to America, to Germany, to Italy, to Belarus, Sweden, France, Croatia,
A lot
I've been to the Philippines, Thailand.
What you like?
Yeah. Very good. People are nice here. I like Vietnamese. You notice I speak slowly, so you can understand.
Yes.
You can buy half of the roasted duck at about the price of 3 pounds now. It was 4 pounds earlier in the day. Roasted chicken is 3 pounds 50. Roasted pork is 3 pounds 10, and so on. These meals are selling at the restaurant area. A microwave is provided for the customer to warm their purchases and enjoy the meals. They are super value at the exit. A boy came to talk to my husband.
My mom remember I'm 11. My dad, you remember I'm 12.
I am 74.
74, that sounds old.
20 pounds.
And I like you.
You like my haircut?
Yeah.
And what is your name?
My name is Ken.
Ken. My name
No,
is
Ken. No, like K-E-N.
Ken.
Oh yeah.
My name is Gary.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What is your country's famous food?
Fish and chips.
Oh, fish and chips.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
We like fish and chips in England.
Oh yeah. I felt that when I thinking of them, I felt it's delicious and it's juicy.
It is very fattening. It makes you fat.
Oh, I believe that you're eating a big one.
Yeah, we do eat big ones.
And do you have
Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Yeah.